post-game press conference. Congratulations to the FUA Tamaraws for beating the De La Salle Lady Archers 73-72. The Lady Tamaraws are now at 1-1. We have Coach Raisa Palmera D, MJ Mangiat, and Amia Espanol. Is that the right?
Mangiat.
Amaya. And Amaya.
Amaya Espanol. Coach, congratulations for this victory. Clutch three-pointer by MJ in the last 2.8 seconds. So what can you say about this victory?
First of all, syempre happy about it. But at the same time, we have a lot of work to be done, especially on defense. Okay, there are many lapses at the end of the game. But luckily, yun nga, falls under MJ's hand, and luckily, she made that last shot.
To MJ, you have 16 points between the three-pointer in the last 2.3 seconds, 2 rebounds, 2 assists. So, yung last shot, down kayo ng 2. So, ano yung ginawa mo para siyempre makulong yung panalo? Ano yun?
Nasa isip ko lang noon is, pinapractice ko naman yung mga tira ko. So, nilabas ko lang din kanina. And, nagkaroon din ako ng lapses in defense. So, ang nasa mindset ko lang is kailangan kong bumawi.
Thank you. Damian, we have 14 points, 5 rebounds, 2 steals. So, after 2 games, how does it feel to play the UAAP? And what can you, are we seeing the best yet from you?
I feel good. I feel better than last game. I feel like it will just keep getting more normal as I play more games, get used to the pace, the UAAP, and I'm just ready for next game.
Thank you. Okay, the floor is on for questions.
Coach, back and forth affair until the very end. Leading from that previous loss, 35-point loss, how big of a win is this and magkano ka lang natuwa sa resilience ng players mo?
I think siguro may extra fire kami or fuel this season coming up to this game, especially against LaSalle. They gave us a lot of heartbreak last season. So I think it adds up doon sa performance namin today. And also, I told them in the dugout kanina na it's very hard for a team to come over the hump with a 0 and 2. Sabi ko, ayoko na mapunta yung position namin as compared to last year. So sabi ko, this time we really have to get it, and ayoko mapunta in other teams yung kapalaran namin doon sa goal namin for this year. So every game, we have to work on it. Yung mga kayang ipanalo, winnable games, kailangan kunin talaga namin.
MJ, for you, 2 clutch triples nung last minute ng laro. Ano na pumasok sa isip mo? Kasi for the entirety of the game, parang back and forth siya. So paano ka naging composed dun sa final minute na yun? Para din yung mga test na yun?
Inisip ko lang din yung sakit na naranasan namin last year. Na nandun na kami, may chance na kami last year. Pero since hindi nga namin nakuha, this year yung babawi kami.
Coach, paano nyo pinunta yung Lasal kasi parang medyo bitty yung defensive oriented. Paano na lang kinonta yun kasi yung last 2 baskets nyo were triples or 3-pointers. So did you back order for your shooting or paano po ba naging team plan for this year?
Yeah, definitely pinag-aralan namin how they press the USD on their first game. So we run through that, and also alam naman natin for this current team or roster na meron kami, it's the perimeter that we have the advantage no, as compared to other teams. So we just take advantage of that. Yes.
Coach, nung down to kayo ng last seconds, tumirang tres MJ, ano reaction mo nun?
Relief. Because the last play na naka-convert sila at lumamang sila ng 2 points was because of her gambling on defense. So yun, medyo malilesen yung galit ko sa kanya sa mamaya sa dugout. But in any way, yun nga, thankful kami na nakuha namin yung first win namin today. But again, first round pa lang, nakaharap namin yung LaSalle. Again, into the next game na kami. Focus kami into the next game.
Amaya, you've been playing every minute so far. How are you embracing that opportunity that Coach Rice has given you?
I'm very grateful for the opportunity. It's much different coming from my last team. Coach wasn't as didn't have as much belief in me, but I feel that Coach Rai backs up everybody on the team, no matter the decisions they make, and yeah, I'm just grateful.
You're playing Adamson. Next Adamson, wala kang panalo under Coach Chet. So, ano yung kailangan nyo gawin para to avoid yung sense of complacency? Para syempre makawin si kayo.
Yeah, of course, we will work triple hard, quadruple hard. Okay, I'm not yet contented personally with the outcome of based on the stats and based on what I saw kanina sa game. So, syempre double time kami during practice in preparation for Adamson.
Congratulations, Coach Rice.
Thank you.
And
Thank you so much. Thank you.